All right. How are we all doing? Welcome back. Welcome back. So, I just want to make a quick reaction to a post that Nkere and their group are sharing. Many of their recruited media personnel or media warrior, if you may like to choose the word. I just want to, give them that respect as a media. They want people to see them as a media, but it's all about let me top up for you so you can share this for me without adding any value to what people are actually what Biafrans are actually looking for, right? For the fact that Nkere recruited all these people and people are not actually paying much attention to that is a concern to me because I know that many of us know who they are and where they come from. As I said, what were they doing before Ogekere called them to join him and do what he's doing now? Some of you have seen the post, some may not have seen that, and this is why you need to be in our WhatsApp group. In case if you have not, you can also join. But let it be those who actually want to be in that group. Let it be those who want to be, those who love what we do. All right. So we have seen the post. The post was shared there in that group, and credit to Biafrans because Biafrans are very very active on that WhatsApp. Now, the post is all about trying to figure out a way to navigate the so-called lawsuit because yeah, I'm just saying because how can these people wake up now and start sharing information, sharing falsehood, like trying to convince their papa that COS is not for Briggy, that she resigned or she quitted Briggy to form USB, which they claim is her own. But the question is, what is the difference between Briggy and USB? They are trying to let us know that no, there's an ocean difference between two of them. That one is for Ogenkere and PM. The USB is for COS and maybe some people who don't want to be with them. But they don't ask themselves questions. I think these people they really need help. Ogenkere need help. And Akparwa need help as well. Why do I say so? How can you just wake up and try to convince people that COS is no longer in Briggy? That she used to work in Briggy, now she's no more. And when they play video of USB, when USB was formed or declared, okay, Nkere was there, Sonakbara was there. Sonakbara, you forgot that they projected your image in that Finland convention the day that Biafrans, declared their freedom, declared their independence, declared the United States of Biafra. Both of you were on attendance. You were there. You guys attended that event, and you signed. Are you getting the point? And before the convention, that's what it called self-referendum that took place, that every Biafran, more than 5 million Biafrans, voted. And that vote was counted. And you did not protest against it. You are part and parcel of that. Briggy is not something that you can just claim as you guys think that is all about Nkere as resident agent. That's all. That is all you needed. To be honest with you, I'm surprised to see them acting this way. I won't lie. I am very, very, very surprised to see them behaving in this manner. But somebody who wants to, criminalize everything, they can go at any length to claim stuffs to make it look like they know what they're doing, whereas they know nothing. But let's just watch and see how the whole thing will play out because it is very, very clear now they're struggling to lay hands on evidence or what they will use to justify their so-called lawsuit. Video don't lie. And that's why I said they really need help. Honestly, they need help. Please like the video because we are gonna bring it to you this way for some time now. Hopefully, it's not gonna be too long. We go back to our basic way, and I just want you to understand that the more you like the video and share it, is the more helpful you are giving to us, and the more you are encouraging us to do more and report or react on this kind of thing because for Nkere to wake up and design, something with Akparwa, just to just to use that to prove what I don't know. But it's funny. Why do I say that it's funny? It's funny because we are not sleeping. All of us are we're here. We know how the whole thing happened. We know how the whole thing is gonna end. Yes. Why we know how it's gonna end because we have seen similar thing before. I used to laugh at these people called what do they call themselves? DOS, saying that Simon Ekpa is not in US, is not in IPOB. Simon Ekpa is just an infiltrator. He just decided to infiltrate with the movement, the peaceful movement that we are doing. You know how they normally, concord their own words, trying to use that to justify what they think that is best to be done. But the question is, why are they so desperate? I can see almost everything, if not all, that Sona Akparwa and Nkere, almost everything that they're doing now is similar thing that US have done in the past. All the thing that almost everything they have accused PM in the past is what they are now accusing COS. And they actually believe that we are so, myopic, we can't reason, we can't articulate anything to remember or recall those past events, to use that to make, to figure out meanings from what they're trying to say. Truth is always truth. No matter how you want to run around trying to paint it black and white, before before you end your statement and this your cooked up lies, Biafrans are already there waiting for you to tell you, look, we know you are lying. You want people to see you as somebody who just wake up and formed her own. The question is, we all, like I said, nobody is a child here. Uh, None of us is underage to remember or to understand what happened 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024. The template is very, very clear. From get-go, PM have been working hard with Biafrans to make sure that Biafran will be redeclared. And even the people that hold the freedom understand the result and what that means. That's why they worked hard to to crap on PM to make sure that he's nowhere to be found to declare the freedom, to declare the Biafra and everything. But believe it or not, if not that CS step up and do what she did, I think they would have achieved that aim. But the aim has been, disrupted by that singular act of COS, making sure that that template of PM is being carried on and being transmitted, being, presented the way it's supposed to be, and it's not going down well with them. That's why you see people like Okute TV and all of them sharing this nonsense video picture. Ngozi Rabeze is not a Brigi. Brigi is different from this one. Like DOS, IPOB is DOS is IPOB, IPOB is DOS. Simon Ekpa and his autopilot, his auto criminals. That is what you'll be hearing, and you hear those things oftentimes from people who actually championing fake side of the agitation. They don't mean something good. This is not an attack on any personality, but a revelation to present you the reality so that your eyes will open to understand what actually mean or what they stand for. So that you will not be, caught in a trap or in the midst of this kind of nonsense, because you have time, you have the right to understand what is going on, to follow it squarely, to know without missing word. But immediately you begin to yap, trying to nurse this nonsensical thing, that because when I read that their post and that the way they designed it, I was laughing. I said, look at this people. You guys actually think that people are so daft? I don't understand. Doesn't mean that they don't have anybody, at least even just little percentage of people that can preach to them, or they are so adamant to learn or to understand. How can you just see COS, the activities, the template of PM, the everything? PM is not even hiding his word. He didn't hide his word. He made it clear to us that he want to declare that he's gonna declare it. He even went as far as mentioning the personality that Biafran should expect in the day of Biafran the redeclaration. And it's on air. People who are not even wishing that Biafra will come watch it, they see it, they know it. Do you ask yourself, what did the Nigerian government see that made them to invest more and add more strength, more funds to crap on PM to just to stop that very event? Some people say that no, because when she said that she noticed something, that was why she have to quickly declare it the day she declared it, which is 29th of November 2024, instead of 2nd of December 2024. And some people say, no, she did not see anything, or she just make it up. Okay, if you say that she don't see anything, why are you not acting as if you are that thing that she saw? Because if your presence actually justifies that statement, your action now justifies that statement. That some people are not happy, some people are just trying their best to have a reason, to figure out reasons to make sure that it will not be declared on 2nd. And she quickly declared on 29th, and that one also started running their stomach. And that until then it has not stopped. They keep on pushing and trying to drag innocent Biafra who know nothing about this criminal tendency to their side, so that it can make more sense. They succeeded to drag some gullible ones, but it doesn't add any value, because those ones to be dragged are just pushover. These are what CS normally called you know um, middle class. You just don't get tired of them, because they always want to entertain you with lies. Unless if some of you or some of us that are somehow unable to identify their lies or to separate their lies and the truth, you will be struggling to know to you'll be struggling somehow, because sometimes you'll be tempted to believe what they're saying. But if you can recall, if you can remember what happened or how they are trend, you're not gonna fall to that. So whenever you see those posts that are sharing on COS and Gotham Beze is no longer with the Briggy. Briggy don't know this one, she have formed her own. They want to make it popular. If they like, print it in a New York Times, just to make sure that everything is cemented. But it's not gonna work, because the videos are everywhere. By the time you watch your action and your role is being presented, you understand that you are part and parcel of the USB government. Then you running back is an act of criminality. Anyway, I'm not a lawyer, but I can tell you, even me that is not a lawyer can also look at this case and I'll be shitting and laughing, because it is laughable, very very laughable. So my people, tell me what you think about it. In case you have not seen that, please try your best and check. You can put a comment section, then I will tell you how to watch it. If you don't want, if you claim that you don't know, then put a comment section. I will tell you, and also tell me what you think about what we have discussed so far. Let us hear from you, and make sure you like the video. Like I said at the beginning, that is how to support. Like the video and share it. You know how this platform works. See you again, my people, and God bless you. Bye bye for now. Take care.